This is a 2006 Ford F-150. It features a 5.4-liter 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, cruise control, front and rear reading lights, a CD player, automatic locking wheel hubs, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 12-volt power outlets, dusk sensing headlights, privacy glass, and this vehicle has fewer than 65,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Columbine Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2728 Railroad Avenue in Rifle.